stucco over stone early bankhouse with double wraparound porch to take in the wonderful views of the Stillwater countryside. Great early construction and walkout on 2 levels. Come and see the beauty of this original stone country home. Lovely early stone home with stucco over the original stone. This early stone home has wideboard floors under the carpeting. The original brick fireplace looks to still be in place under the later cultured stone facade. Eat-in kitchen with exposed beam ceiling and early brick fireplace. Probably wideboard floors under the linoleum. High ceilings, exposed beams and brick fireplaces are all wonderful amenities that this early stone home has to offer. Large master bedroom with wideboard flooring under the carpeting. Great walkout private entry ground level bedroom with brick fireplace. Wideboard flooring under carpeting, large closet and adjoining full bath. 19th century 3-story bank barn is great for anything.